Hello, my name is Alfonso, and this is the next tutorial in the AI programming series where we're making our own custom blog from viewer to editor. And today, in today's video, we're going to be adding password protection to the existing blog post editor prompt. So if we remember where we left things last time, created this simple editor template where you can add a title, snippet, image URL, etc., and those appear in your blog. There's a problem. Anyone who goes to this URL can go here, write their own blog posts, and add them to my blog, and we don't want that. We want to limit it so that only the author can do that. So solving this is actually super simple. As usual, we're gonna create a fork so that we start from a new project. Then we're going to go edit with Towny. And, Towny happens to be very good at doing this. So the only thing we're going to do is to ask it, add password protection. I'm going to say set the password to banana123. And that's pretty much it. If you're interested in learning what's happening under the hood, what Towny is doing is three things. First, it's going to add a server-side check on whether the password is correct or not. Second, if the user is not logged in, it's going to show a prompt that says login, enter the password. And lastly, it's going to persist the logged in state in a cookie so that you don't need to log in every single time you're using the app. And there you go. Now when you come here to the website, we get prompted with a login flow. Let me put a fake one, fake 1234, incorrect password. And now I'm going to use the right one, banana123, login. Perfect. Cool. So with that, we've already solved the problem, and there's a couple things that we want to do to make sure that this actually had any effect. First, in this video, I've showed you the password, so it's no longer private anymore. If you do want to change your password, I think here I recommend for the first time going to the code section. You want to go to the code section, search for banana. Okay, and you have it here, and here you may change it for Apple 123, for example, and make sure to command this or save. Cool. That's one thing we want to do. The second one is, remember how we've been forking the editor from previous sessions? Because we forked it, there's still a version of the editor out there that doesn't have password protection. So what we're going to do is find that one. I'm going to find the old blog viewer. It's here, blog editor. And we're going to hide it or delete it. What I typically do is archive it, which doesn't allow it to run. But if you want to be super safe, what we can do is delete all. And why are we doing this? Because blog editor 1 doesn't have password protection. Only the fork we just made, which is probably this one, Innovative AquaPy, that's the one that is password protected. So if we leave another one without it, anyone who finds that loophole can still get posted in our blog. Perfect. So that's the end of the session today. And in the next 2-3 videos, we're going to be adding a very interesting spin. Right now, we solved the problem of being able to edit and show the new post on my blog, but writing is still a pain in the ass. So we're going to add some AI spice to the editor itself. Stay tuned for the next video tutorial.